Amidst the chaos of each one and every zero and in between, though, time seems to stand still for the students who get the opportunity to use their imagination, creativity, and determination. What is perhaps even more remarkable, in this day and age, online business is not only possible, it is a norm, and this is even more applicable to students. The internet allows the youth to bolster their strength, to use the time available to them for further studies and even earning. These funds can be required to pursue educational opportunities, prepare for future investments, or just to be self-reliant. But where do you begin? In this lesson, we expect that students will learn how to begin 10 steps that will allow them to earn money, offering something as simple as moving from one place to another.
Learn how to begin 10 steps that will allow them to earn money, offering something as simple as moving from one place to another. Social Media Manager. Step 1. Understand what a social media manager does. A social media manager is responsible for creating and scheduling content, engaging with followers, analyzing performance, and developing strategies to grow a brand's online presence. The key here is to become the voice of the brand online. Step 2. Develop your skills. Skills like content creation, writing, photo and video editing, and data analysis are essential. Take time to learn the platforms and consider courses or tutorials on digital marketing tools like Hootsuite, Canva, and Google Analytics. Step 3. Choose your platforms. Specialize in the platforms where you have the most knowledge or the ones in high demand, like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Starting with just 1 or 2 platforms can make it less overwhelming and help you build expertise. Step 4. Create a personal brand. Build your own online presence to showcase your skills and style. Your personal brand can be your portfolio, so focus on making it engaging and representative of your work. Step 5. Gain experience with small projects. Begin by managing accounts for small businesses, friends, or non-profits, even if unpaid. Hands-on experience builds confidence and credibility that will help you land paying clients later. Step 6. Develop a portfolio. Gather screenshots, case studies, and testimonials from your past work. A strong portfolio demonstrates your results and lets potential clients see your style and effectiveness firsthand. Step 7. Set clear rates and offer packages. Research market rates to understand what social media managers typically charge. Offering different packages like basic, standard, and premium makes it easier for clients to pick a service level that fits their needs. Step 8. Market yourself. Use LinkedIn, Upwork, and other freelance platforms to promote your services. Join social media management groups and engage in online communities to connect with potential clients. Step 9. Build strong client relationships. Building trust is essential. Keep open lines of communication and consistently deliver on your promises. Happy clients will refer you to others and potentially hire you long-term. Step 10. Track your success and keep improving. Social media is always evolving. Use analytics to assess what's working and what isn't, then adjust your strategies. Constant learning and adapting are essential in this field. Conclusion. Earning money as a social media manager involves more than just posting content. It's about building connections, understanding what engages an audience, and adapting to trends. Each step you take, from honing your skills to managing your first client, is part of a rewarding journey that can lead to long-term success.